Question number 3, we have an airplane wingspan of 65 meter flies. So this is linked at a speed of 750 km per hour perpendicular to the Earth's magnetic field. It has a strength of 0.067 millitesla. Determine the induced EMF between the wingtips. Okay, so remember, if you come across the questions that have velocity, you are going to use BL V sine theta. Okay, so directly use this because this is basically the only formula that have velocity lah. Okay, so what is theta? Theta is the angle between the magnetic field and the velocity. Okay, so sekarang ni kita ada sudah nilai, so just substitute into the formula here. And then what is L? L is 65, V is 750 km per hour. So we have to convert that 700 km pergi meter. So darab dengan 10 per 3 per hour. So we have to put per di sini. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And then sine theta. So what is the angle of theta here? It is mentioned in the question that the velocity is perpendicular to B. So maksudnya sini adalah sine 90 degree. Okay. So this will be equal to 0.91 volt lah. Okay. So just make sure that you are reading the questions carefully lah. Sometimes dia tidak directly bagi tahu the angle between V and B. Sometimes dia directly bagi tahu lah. Okay, so if you were to draw that in this diagram here, it can either be, generally it can be like this lah, sebab all of these are still perpendicular to the magnetic field. Tapi for an airplane, it can really just go forward. They can actually move backwards, but technically we don't see, it's not really common nowadays, but they can. But just for this purpose, we just assume that the velocity is gonna be forward lah. Okay, all right, so that is on question number 3.